Have you ever smoked? So, you know what? If you do that 10 times, it becomes your behavior. Then what you say, यार मैं ना खाने के बाद मेरे को एक चाहिए होती है वो मैं पी ही लेता हूँ. That later on it becomes your identity. वो आपका आइडेंटिटी बन जाता है. Hey everyone, my name is Ajay Prajapati. I'm 10 years fun teaching expert and founder of the program Teacher Toy, where I help teachers to overcome stress, teaching stress, boredom and the anger, and becoming the entertaining, enjoyable and effective teacher. The point we are discussing here that it becomes your identity. The chapter that you are teaching 10 times in a same manner, that becomes your identity. मैं ऐसे ही पढ़ाता हूँ, मेरे को ऐसे ही रिजल्ट मिलते हैं, मैं 10 साल से ऐसे ही पढ़ा रहा हूँ. What is? It becomes your identity. और एक टाइम ऐसा आता है then you are not feeling to teach the topic. फिर वो टॉपिक आपको पढ़ाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है. Same thing happened to me lot of times, and today what happened, I was supposed to teach a topic and I was feeling not that excited about the topic to teach. Same way, same manner, ultra same thing, same example. Though this was funny, examples were funny, but still there was something I wanted, some kind of freshness. So what I did, I didn't do that. I said, what could be the better way for that? So I took my entire kind of the chapter, the modals, and I did that in one day. And students, they were more happy. They said, I liked it. They said, yes, the great learning happened. And we loved it. And they felt a good change. They found the worth of their hour. See, do not be miserly about the change and the transformation and value giving. About value giving. तो उसमें आपको miserly मत होइए. The same thing. Means I want to ask you. So, are you still traditionally teaching your chapter, or you are adding some freshness, some kind of changes over there? So you get freshness. Or are you teaching traditionally the way you are teaching? मैं ऐसे ही करता हूँ, ये मेरा identity है. Try to, you know what? The way you started teaching, right now you are teaching, there was a reason you started. क्योंकि उस टाइम पर वो आपको ठीक लगा था, ये बेस्ट तरीका है, तो you are doing that. वो आज तक भी बेस्ट है. तो वहाँ पर एक रीज़न था, एक रीज़न से आपने स्टार्ट किया. So why couldn't you start or give the fresh learning, a new, means, I mean, do not teach the way, intentionally or, traditionally. So what are you changing? That's my question. Are you still teaching traditionally? Or you're tired and bored? Definitely you'll be bored if you're teaching this in a same way, in a same manner. You'll get tired. So what do you need to do? When you think about the transformation, value giving more, definitely you will look for the better ways. So the question is here, are you considering about the better transformation for the students? Are you considering about the more value giving? Are you considering about the more, how can my students have the more change? When you go in such directions, the change is going to happen to you, right? So these are 3 things what you can do. And ask yourself, what freshness I can give? How this chapter can add more value for the students, or how this chapter can give a good change for the students, and how when you think in these same directions, and definitely your chapters are going to be the more freshness. How can students have the more benefits through this chapter? They can have change more things. When you think in these directions, definitely you're gonna have the good change, good things that will happen to you. For that, and how would you do that? Number 1, you can do not do what you did the last time. ask yourself, I want to do something new way I'm gonna do. And how this chapter can help more value. Definitely, if you answer these 2 and 3 questions, you'll have the more clarity about to update your content. That's what you can do. When your mind is on the good value giving, the benefits for the students, definitely you'll be inspired to look for the new ways. That's what you can do. That's all about for the tips. If you want to get more the information, subscribe the channel, like it, and if you have any question, comment over there. So if you are struggling with anything that I have struggled, I might have struggled already, so you can ask this question to me if you're a fresh teacher. So we can look for some other ways, and see you in the next video. Take care.